Hey guys. So last week we were talking about numbers that are, or we were talking about comparing numbers, I guess you could say, and using words such as greater than, less than, or equal to. And we did a lot of comparing using manipulatives so that you could really easily see numbers that are greater than, less than, or equal to. Today we're just going to talk really quickly about our 120 chart and how you can use your 120 chart to compare numbers also. So on our 120 chart, it starts at 1 and goes all of the way to 120. But right now, we're only actually focused on numbers 1 to 20, okay? So we're not going to really look at the whole 120 chart today, really just this top part, the first 2 rows. So when you use your 120 chart, if, say I was at the number 4, anytime I move to the right 1, that is 1 more than the number. When I'm at the number and move to the left 1, that's 1 less, okay? When I'm at a number and I move down, that's 10 more because your tens place changes and goes up by 1. If I'm at a number and move up, that's 10 less, okay? So you can use the 120 chart to help you figure out what's 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less, or you can also look and see what's a number that's greater and what's a number that's less. Anytime you have numbers that are greater than your number that you're looking at on the 120 chart, they're going to be to the right and below. Numbers that are less than a number on the 120 chart are going to be to the left and above the number. So just getting familiar with the 120 chart is really important, and the more that you work with the 120 chart, the more that you'll see all of the cool tricks that you can learn using it, like 10 more, 10 less. It's really easy to figure that out using a 120 chart. Okay, so say I give you the number 5. So you may want to go and grab your 120 chart if you don't have it. So press pause and go grab it. If I give you the number 5 and ask you what number is greater than 5, what's a number that you could say? For a number greater than 5, you could choose any of the numbers that are more than 5. So I could say 8 is greater than 5, 10 is greater than 5, 55 is greater than 5. Anything that is past the number 5 on the 120 chart is greater than 5. What's a number less than 5? Well, we could say 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5. Anything to the left is less than 5. What's 10 more than 5? Well, here's 5. 10 more would be going down 1. 15 is 10 more. All right, let me choose another number. Let's do 13. Give me a number that is greater than 13. 17 is greater than 13 because it is past 13 on the 120 chart. It's to the right. What else is greater than 13? Any of these numbers. 19 is greater than 13. 20 is greater than 13. All right, looking at 13, what is less than 13? 11 is less than 13. 6 is less than 13. 2 is less than 13. 1 is less than 13. Any of the numbers to the left and above are less than 13. Okay, so remember when you're using your 120 chart to find numbers that are greater than your number, you go forward to the right and down. To find numbers that are less than the number you're comparing, you go to the left and look at what's above the number. Those are all less. The farther you go down the 120 chart, the greater the numbers get. When you're going up the 120 chart, the smaller the numbers get. Okay? So today we're just kind of looking at the 120 chart and thinking about greater than and less than. See you next time.